Trump's been going after you repeatedly. He said on Friday that you have been, quote, constantly chirping. He said you weren't showing enough appreciation for the administration's response. And I want you to take a listen to what he says he told Vice President Pence about you and Governor Whitmer.
When they're not appreciative to me, they're not appreciative to the Army Corps, they're not appreciative to FEMA. It's not right. I say, Mike, don't call the governor of Washington. You're wasting your time with him. Don't call the woman in Michigan. You know what I say? If they don't treat you right, I don't call.
Do you think that your relationship with the president and his clear animosity towards you is impacting your ability to get what you need from the federal government to save lives of people in Washington state?
Well, I certainly hope not. We're going to expect the best from all our partners, and we have partners. I mean, I met with the Army in my state yesterday building a hospital. We certainly have a great working relationship with the Army. We have good open lines of communication with FEMA. And as Gretchen Whitmer indicated, we're still talking to the vice president. After the president said that, she had a conversation with Mike Pence, and I assume that I will as well. So those communications are happening. I spoke to the director of FEMA yesterday about a glitch that I hope can get fixed. So I think that we're continuing to have good partnership. We're not distracted by some of the noise out of the White House, and we're continuing to work as a team. So I feel good about that. But boy,